Is your business stuck in a cash flow chokehold? Inventory waiting, equipment on hold, payroll looming? You're not alone. Millions of business owners out there have the same problem every day and look for a solution. Cash crunches happen in businesses, but that's what we're here to help you with. Investor One Capital, we have real business lines of credit and not just merchant cash advances. Forget about juggling the loans, navigating banks. We're a quick solution and a real solution for your business cash flow needs. So come on, let's go. I'm going to show you the loan program, how it works, how we qualify you, and how much money you may be eligible for depending upon what type of business you're in and what your needs are. My name's E.J. Glenn, owner of Investor One Capital. We're a national mortgage broker that deals with business loans and also commercial real estate. So come on, let's go. Business lines of credit, owner of Investor One Capital. Let's get right into what this business line of credit is. Our unique loan products, working capital loans for that unexpected dip in sales or slow season. We can amortize a loan, provide a surge of capital you need quickly without the need of collateral. Unsecured line of credits, minimum $5,000 first draw amount. You can have that access in as quick as 24 hours, and you can have 5 drafts over a 6-month period of a minimum of $5,000. Then we have our Flex Loan. It's an exclusive to ARF Financial and allows you to defer up to 50% of the loan principal into the future. It's our most popular product by far. So you want to choose a lender to partner with. My name's E.J. Glenn with Investor One Capital, and I'm partnered with ARF as a business loan broker for them for lines of credit. Best in the business. They're larger loan amounts, their repayment terms, and they're 6 times larger and with 3 times longer to pay than a merchant cash advance. And you have a lot of flexibility with the amount of the loan size, the terms that merchant cash advances don't give you. You can see the difference here, right? Almost 7 times less than the loan amount, and the loan 6 times less than the loan size, and 12 months compared to 36 months in loan term. So depending upon what business you're in and what do you need the cash for, how you're going to use it, this is a big difference than just taking a $20,000 merchant cash advance. The advantage of our loan programs are, $5,000 to $1 million. Like I said, the loan size up to $120,000 is the average. Up to 36 months to pay it back. If you have a single location, we'll go up to $500,000 with no collateral required. If you have multiple storefronts or locations, we'll go up to $750,000 with no collateral required. And there's no fee line of credit unless you max out the loan amount up front. So if you took the $500,000 in one draw, there would be a fee. But if you take it out in increments, there's no fee. We can get you funded in a week. There's a streamlined underwriting process, and at the end of this, I'll show you the qualification questions. Everything's done through DocuSign. There's no need to meet in person. This is anywhere in the country. If you wanted to talk to me like this on a video conference, I prefer that we do that so you're comfortable with me helping your business. Your repayment's not tied to credit card transactions like a merchant cash advance. The interest you pay is tax deductible, and there are early payoff options. We have our newer improved loan product, which is the one I said is our most popular by far. It's the ultimate revolving line of credit called the bankroll. It's become the most popular loan product because it goes up to $1 million, and it has a fixed loan term of 36 months and a fixed payment. You can take unlimited draws and pay downs during the first year of the revolving period, which means if you took $100,000 out and you paid that $100,000 back in the first 12 months and you need it again, you can take that draw again of that $100,000 again. You decide when and where to borrow how much, the size of your weekly payment, and the finance charge, and how long you want to keep your loan. You're in complete control based on your unique business needs that we know can change over time. It provides early payoffs without penalty anytime during the loan term. And one of our other programs is the interest-only Flex Pay Advantage. Loan amounts from $50,000 to $750,000 with no collateral. You pay the interest for up to 52 weeks, and you can roll it over for another 52 weeks to pay it off. A further line of credit will not be offered, but it'll give you 2 years to pay this off, paying interest only in the first 52 weeks. You can have unlimited draws against this line of credit of up to $25,000 or more. There's no tax returns or financials required on loan amounts up to $750,000. In the interest-only period, you have the option to pay off the principal, allow it to roll over, or simply refi into another loan. The minimum requirements for all of our loan programs are: you must be open for at least a month, you must be a brick and mortar business, you must have annual sales of $200,000, you must provide a personal guarantee, 551 credit score or higher. You can have up to 2 outstanding cash advances with other companies. Qualify for up to $500,000 with one unit and $750,000 with multiple unit without taxes or financials. Loan terms between 1 and 3 years. And all our loan products they don't require tax returns or financials. And for the business to business, there's a couple little nuances. If you're in the B2B space, you must be open for 2 years and not just 1 month. Your credit score needs to be 601 or higher, and the rest is the same. So how much can you qualify for? Well, your net sales will determine the loan amount, and the loan amounts range anywhere between 6 and 33% of your cash and credit card sales. So if your average monthly sales volume is $100,000 or $1.2 million annually, we could qualify you from anywhere $72,000 up to $396,000. And if your sales increase over time, we can up the loan amount and help you if you needed more cash. They're all subject to our underwriting standards, and like I said, we're going to go over them at the very end. But ARF and myself included got started in the restaurant industry, became experts in that and small business in general. I'm a former bar restaurant owner of 2 different locations. ARF understands the unique needs of small business owners that are in these types of industries. Does the health department require you to refresh your location to come up to code? Well, you can use the funds for that. And here's a bunch of the other reasons that the use of funds are allowed. Want to renovate, open a new location, expand, buy new equipment, purchase a liquor license, which a lot of companies don't do. ARF does that. Inventory, advertising, marketing. You want to buy out a partner, get up to date on your taxes, or you have some liens against the property you want to clean up. Or you're a seasonal business, maybe you have some cash flow shortfalls, payroll, and maybe some other things. So you can use those funds for all those reasons. And here's our preferred business types for business to consumer. This list is listed in my website, and at the bottom, a link will be in the description here. You can copy and paste it. I'm not going to go over every single one of these. And here's the B2B space that are eligible. And here's some restricted businesses. This whole list is available in the website. Is on my website, investor1capital.com. Or here, last but not least, here's the 5 qualifying questions. I have a form down below in the description. It breaks these questions out to a couple more. I think there's 7 or 8. Or you can go to my website and fill out that form. That would be the easiest way, is to go to my website, investor1capital.com, fill out the form, and answer these questions. What type of business are you currently in? If you have a website, please provide it. How long have you been in business? Has it been the same ownership, city and state, credit score above a 551? What are your average monthly sales combined, cash and credit? And do you own a home, and are you current on your mortgage? So this is a pretty basic product, and depending upon what your needs are, we can get you funded pretty quick. And if it makes sense to you, and not have to go after a merchant cash advance with a smaller loan amount, and the daily payments of them sucking them right out of your business checking account like that every day. So now what? Well, book a call, email me, text me, reach out, whatever questions you may have. You want to find out what you can qualify for, how the whole process works. We can work together to get you funded for whatever your needs are. So my name is EJ Glenn from Investor One Capital. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video.